We're at Lowe's. We are here to look for the blocks for our retaining wall. We need to see if they have what we want and how long it will take to get it delivered. So we'll go inside the store and see just what they have. We are now in the retaining wall block area, and we'll see if they've got what we need. We are looking for big blocks because as you saw, it is quite a heavy wall to take, and this looks like what we want here. That looks like just what the doctor ordered. And as you can see, they're $4 a block. And we're going to need approximately 400 of these babies. So now we need to go to the counter and see how long it will take to get them delivered. And then we go from there. We also need caps for the top of the wall, and this looks like what the caps would be. And at this point we don't know exactly how many we need. They too, $4 a piece. We also have another choice. For $1.48, these, and we may use these for the steps.
That's a great idea, taking pictures.
Then you can think about,
That's right.
you know, where did we seduce and how much were you?
Yeah.
The blocks have been delivered. We have 9 skids. Unfortunately, they were unable to take them down to the patio where we hoped they would. So that's a lot of carrying. There are 420 blocks. So we're hoping that this will be enough. If it's not, well, needless to say, we need to go and order some more. Yes.
You do that for everything.
That's what I do too.
Because you think, oh, I remember it, but you don't. And I have a YouTube channel, so do you guys?
this coming. I'm doing this. It's all good.
Go get my chainsaw, son.
It was very easy to turn it. This.
Huh?
It was fairly.
Yeah, up,
Mayhew,
Yeah.
yeah.
that's the back way. But that's also the way we always come in too.
Yeah.
Man, that wall's moving. No, once you get that section down, it's halfway down.
Yeah.
I'm ready to start. Where is the? Damn, I missed it, Cody. Back up, Bobby, in case he misses that rock.
Well, do you think that's going to be easier once you got the base done?
Yeah.
I think
The thing is, 75%.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.